Right. There's loads in there, isn't there?
That's all pollen, all that coloured stuff you can see.
Right. Cool. He's right trying to get in to sting me. I can smell that.
Yeah, wonderful, isn't it?
Yeah. So what are the dark sounds on it then?
It's just different coloured pollens. There's reds, there's yellows.
Right.
There's all colours.
I must admit I've not been this close for a long time because it seems to not like me.
Yeah. And the real big ones.
Oh, they're drones, aren't
That's
they?
a drone.
Oh, that smells like cinder toffee or something you get on the fire.
Yeah. There's a wonderful smell. They're not swarming though.
So it's just literally the size of the colony then?
Yeah.
Right. So what's that little clump there that's on the top there then?
It's a bit of beeswax that they built between the combs off the,
right.
off the excluder.
Right.
We're just trying to create more space. And that actually, see that?
Yeah.
That could well be a queen cell.
Could that be a what?
A queen cell, a replacement queen.
Right.
But we've destroyed it, so it's not a problem anymore. And we put one on the other side there as well. Yeah, I would be a lot happier if I could see the queen. But I don't think you swarm, there's too many bees here. Way too many.
I'm surprised how many there actually is, Ken.
Oh, there's another box full behind me.
Right.
And all those that are in that super. Yeah, it's full of brood. All that biscuit colour. Underneath those cappings is a little worker.
Right.
Going through metamorphosis. Just waiting to hatch.
Yeah, what's that one now?
Drone.
Yeah, but it's got something on it. Well, that's a big drone though, that, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Well, drone queens aren't that fat. They're
Right.
a lot slimmer but a lot longer.
And the abdomen's more of a...
Point.
Eh?
On a queen it's a point. On a drone it's a very round fat arse.
Right. Well, I thought they went down to a point and it was black like the drones and not striped like the bees.
Oh no, it can be any colour.
Right.
So we've only got 2 more chances.
How do you mean?
There's only 2 more frames to go and I've not found the queen.
Right. Well, could it not be in the other top? Well, you've only just put that on, haven't you?
Queen excluded between them, she can't get through.
Oh, there she is.
Yeah.
Dot on the back.
There you go.
Hang on. There's the queen with the dot on her back. She doesn't look that different though, does she?
She's a lot longer.
The body, yeah, I can see it now. The body is a lot longer. Right, so cool. There's a healthy queen in there then.
Sorry?
There's a healthy queen in there then.
Yeah, she's still there. We can still save her. What we need.
The noise is getting loud.
Yeah. Look down there. Right, we need to sort this other box out.
There's actually a bee on the back of the camera.
What I'm hoping is in here is completed queen cells. There's no queen in here. But what I'm hoping for
Just a blank frame, that one.
well, that's just a dummy board, yeah.
Right. So do you think there might be another queen in here then that's up and coming, or?
Well, yeah, I'm hoping there's going to be queen cells in here, and I'm hoping there's going to be at least 4 on
Right.
separate frames. Nothing on that one. So that's 4 divisions.
Right.
So we can put a queen cell in each division. There you go. There's one. You see it?
That big cell.
That's a queen cell.
Well, there's 2 there, isn't there?
Oh, there is, yeah. No, we'll just leave them. They'll both hatch, and the first one out will kill the other.
Right. Well, is there any way you can actually take them apart and separate them?
You could do. Better not to interfere. Which side was the side? So that is one. Then we give them a grain of brood and bees. And that's that one sorted. And continue.
So what you're looking for now is other queen cells then?
Another queen cell. And that's just food. Oh, there.
Oh, there's another couple there then.
2 belters, are
3 there. 1, 2, 3.
yeah. Right, so if you just remember that number 2 has got 3 cells. So then you want to throw in the food for them.
Right, so if there's the queen cells, then they will swarm at some point then, won't they?
No, because they're in such a small colony to drone.
Ah.
Because they're in such a small colony, they will, the queen will just go out and mate,
And come back.
come back and start building a new colony.
Right.
That's all food, both sides. Bitty brood. Oh, there
Yeah,
you
there's
go.
one.
There you go. Another 2.
Hang on. Was there 2 on that, or was there one down here somewhere as well?
No, it's just wild corn. They always look like acorns.
Right.
So
that needs separating, and that needs another frame in there, Kev.
yeah, I know. I just want to get rid of these whilst I've got it in my hand.
Right.
So put them to the inside. We can give them a frame of food. That's all food.
Yeah.
And that's all food. So we still need one more with a queen cell, or we cut one of those queen cells out of the others.
Yeah.
That's all food.
Is that one that's hatched or something there?
No, it's what they call a play cup. They make them just for fun. Nothing in it. But if they wanted to swarm...
A bit like an apprentice making some...
Yeah, if they wanted to swarm, they'd force the queen to lay in it.
Right.
They'd push her and hold her there till she laid an egg. No, hold on. There's one under there. No, it isn't.
There's one.
There's one.
Queen cell.
Yeah, you see
Cool.
it?
Yeah. So does that one want to go in this one then? Because this has got nothing in it, has it?
Yeah. Which I'll just take one of these out. Which side was it on? Yes, it was. So put that. You always put the queen cell as nearest to centre because it's warmer because they're getting heat from both sides.
Right.
So, in an ideal world, that does want another frame. So does that. And that definitely needs one.
Right, you've not checked that one for queen cells.
I thought there was one on it. I thought that was the first one we did.
No.
Or did we say we were going to have to?
You had three. You had 2 on that one, 3 on this one. I'm sure you said there was 3 on the.
Yeah. Top, middle.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's got 3 on that one.
Yeah, top most. You put that nearest to the partition. Right. Sorry guys.